Just like what you saw in the video, we will use the next two videos showing you how to create a dynamic, bouncy text-to-beat effect. And in today's video, we will start with the elementary edits. Thus, if you are interested in this one, free download VideoProc Vlogger through the link we put in the description box down below. And then dig in the video. Launch VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. I want to create a video and post it on TikTok. Thus, let's find this icon. Click on it. Select the resolution for TikTok. Click on Done to apply the adjustment. Next, create a text with lead for this video. Find the text icon in the toolbar. Click on it. Go to the inspector and add the text content to 3. Choose a font and the font size you want. Use the show or hide layering rectangle to help adjust the position. Then, we keep the text in white. Slide down and find the text shadow area to remove the shadow. Make the text look more clear. Once we are done, click on the camera icon at the top of the preview window to generate a screenshot. To make the text in image more colorful, let's find the plus icon in the far left of the subtitle track. Click on it to add a new track. Click on the text icon again to add a text. Add the text. Choose a different font from what you just used and make it smaller. Then, adjust the position. Remove the shadow. Then, click on the camera icon to create a screenshot. This way, you can get 2 text images like this. Now, it will be easier to get more text image. We can use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy the text and paste it in behind. And all we need is to change the text content in Inspector and keep all other parameters remain the same. Then you can get this different text image. Now we import all the image we just generated into the software. And import the background music with strong beats. And to make it easier for the rest of the creation, we drag the music into the audio track first and mark it using the beat marker. This is very easy to do in VideoProc Vlogger. Click on the audio icon in the toolbar. Let's take a quick look at the music. It comes with a strong beat. Thus, we'll find the analyzer icon here. Click on it, which brings up 3 types of audio analyzers. Obviously, we choose the audio onset here. You can also drag the slider bar to adjust the threshold. And click on Analyze to complete the music analysis. The dots you see now are the beats that software will analyze for us. To locate these points on the timeline, we also need to click Add Markers. And of course, the beat points analyzed by the software are not absolutely accurate. You can also adjust the position of the marker yourself and delete a marker based on the desired rhythm. When you are done, click Apply to apply it. Now you can see the beat points on the audio track. Now we drag the image with the number 10 line 5 to the video track. Then we split it into several segments at the right time in accordance with the markers below. Then drag this image with the 10 line 5 days to the video track. Adjust the duration to match your marker below. Now we keep the first clip in the same position. Then select the second clip. Click on the Show or Hide layer rectangle to move the text to the desired position. Then we move the text of the third clip to a different position than the one we just used. After working on these clips, in the last Longbird clip, we leave it in its original state. This way, we can have a smoother transition to the next image. Let's preview. And we can feel the bouncy text effect already. Using the same method, we can quickly finish editing the rest of the numbers. And then, we can get the effect we want. Alright, in the next video, we'll continue with the bouncy text-to-beat effect. Well, stay tuned for that, and we will see you in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!